in today's video I'm going to be doing a haul of shorts from Boohoo that I got recently. Now I've got two packages because I ordered quite a lot, and I ordered some shorts and I ordered some like gym activewear as well. So I'm going to be splitting that into two hauls. So if you wanted to see the other one, I'm going to do the shorts haul first, and then I'm going to do the gym activewear one in another video after this one. So if you want to see that, then make sure you're subscribed and make sure your post notifications are turned on. Also, before we get into this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and make sure you subscribe. My last video that I did was a quarantine at home outfits video, so I will leave that up here or there. I'll also leave that in the link. I'll leave the link to that in the description bar down below as well, so make sure you do check that out as well. Oh, that is so nice. That's so nice. Okay, so these ones are these are the dark denims. These are a skinny fit. I don't know what size I bought. Okay, so these look like that. So they look like they're nice and comfy. They are a bit tight on the, but I don't know if it's because it's skinny. Because usually I'm a 28 waist, but now I'm more of like a 30 waist. Cause like my bum, my thighs got that cake going on. But yeah, what do you guys think? They're nice. I like them. They're comfortable. They stretch. They are stretchy, and they've got they're button up, so they don't have a zip. Okay, so these ones seem a bit more tight on the waist. I don't know what size this is. It should be a 30 as well. Black, yeah, 30. I don't know, maybe, I don't know why, but these seem a bit more tighter on the waist. But yeah, same kind of fit, same skinny fit as well. Tell me why if my legs look like this squashed, like let me know in the comments down below, because when you're trying on and looking in the mirror yourself, you can't always tell. But let me know, like, do they look like my legs are just being suffocated? They look fine. It's a really dark black as well. Like I wanted one that's gonna be really like kind of jet black. And this is a nice jet black, like a proper true black. Yeah, this is just one top. This is green khaki top. I love khaki, I don't know why. Wait, what is this? Oh, it's a two-piece set, top and short. Let's try this on. Okay, so this is what the top looks like. This is actually so nice. I didn't even realize I bought a set. But now remember I bought a set, and this is like more of a fitted feel, and I like the material as well. I don't even tell, but it's got that kind of ribbed. Is it ribbed? I don't know, but like that dotted. I really love like the man kind of logo. Like you see it all on like guys wearing it with this like man logo, and it looks so good. Yeah, it's a really nice, breathable, really lightweight and really stretchy material. I feel like you can wear this in the gym, but it's not part of the gym wear. Shorts I really like, and it's a loose material. It's quite loose fitted, but still not too like baggy and loose. And you've got the white drawstrings over here with like chrome, with the chrome bits as well. But yeah, I don't have a whole matching one. What do you call it, a twin set or something? I've never had one before, but yeah, I'm really liking this. It's like really nice, especially like if you work out as well. It makes you look a bit more hencher. I've seen like loads of kind of trousers like this as well, and I've always wanted to get trousers in this kind of pattern. Like how nice does this look? Like I always see like formal like trousers that you can like wear in the evening, like that smart casual kind of look. Just check pattern, it's like stripe, which is really nice like that. Okay, so that's that. What do you guys think of that? Looks really good. I think it matches the top as well. I guess you could wear it with this top. But yeah, it looks really good. That's that. I'm really happy with that. And that same kind of similar fit to the khaki shorts that I was wearing before. Same kind of fit. Material is also similar, but it's a bit thicker though this time. The next one is similar. It's this one, similar with the stripe down the side. Okay, I remember looking at these online now. The panels over here is what really attracted me. Like the panels over here and the stripe looks so sick. And yeah, it looks really nice with the khaki top as well. It goes good together. So this next one is a bit different. This is more of a trouser kind of material, I think. Yeah, this is more of like a trouser material. I'm not sure if I like this. And this looks so big. What the hell? Okay, so this is this one. It's the cargo kind of pants. It's a really thick material. It's like really stiff. It's not stretchy at all. So I don't really like this. I'm gonna be returning this one. It looked nicer online, but I'm not too keen on this. I'm not really a fan of this one, to be honest. I'm just loving this top. Like, this top is sick. Like, I'm gonna keep this one though. Okay, next are these ones. These are like a really super soft material. Like, almost feels like silk. It's super soft. It's still like that kind of jersey material, but it's super soft. Okay, so that's these ones, and it's got the logo over here. It says man, and yeah, these are quite a lightweight. It's got like a kind of like a pleat on the front over here as well. Black drawstrings with the chrome finish, the pockets. But yeah, these ones are quite nice. They're really lightweight and they're a bit thinner than the normal jersey ones, but yeah, they're really breathable as well. So that's what that looks like. It goes well with this khaki top, like cream and the khaki, like both very neutral earthy colors. So these ones, when I saw online, I really like them. It's this creamy color. This creamy color with this red and black zip, which is really nice. Like, I saw it and like it just looked so nice on the model. It just looked nice in the pictures. Zips. This doesn't look really nice. They're really thin. It's really breathable. It's got a pocket at the back over here. But yeah, this looks really good. Hope you guys are enjoying this try on haul so far. If you have made it this far, then why not subscribe? Just click the button. It's free. Click that big red button down below. Also, if you do like this video, you made it this far, then give it a thumbs up as well. Help me out. Okay. This is by Brave Soul. Do boohooMAN do other brands? Okay, I've got a few like Brave Soul jumpers. But this is this one. Oh, look at white stripe. This is in navy blue. Okay, so this one is a lot more looser fitting on the waist actually. It's a size small. But yeah, it's quite loose fitting on the waist to like do the drawstrings up. But yeah, this one's quite nice. It's just simple, navy blue with a white stripe. And the inside is actually got that kind of fluffy material. You know when you have like hoodies or like jumpers where the inside is a bit like fluffy and woolly? It's got that kind of material, so I feel like that will be really like too like hot in the summer to wear. Like, it'll be really sweaty for your legs. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did enjoy it, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below as well. Help me out. Also, let me know what ones were your favorites. Let me know down below. Leave a comment. What ones did you like? And also, I've got the boohoo active wear as well, so the gym active clothes. So I'm gonna be doing a haul of that. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.